Is graphic design dead after, AI has arrived? Well, I have seen so many videos implying just that. I have seen YouTubers saying that graphic design is dead because Chat GPT is here or other AI chatbots. And let me tell you, it is possible that maybe uh, soon it might be certain professions are dead. Probably it has taken the jobs from many people that advertise on Fiverr. But I really doubt that graphic design will ever die because AI will make designs for you quickly without doing anything. Because at the end, you will still need that human touch. Like this logo that I handmade myself from scratch. If you haven't checked out the tutorial of how I made it, it's there on our website. I mean, in our page, YouTube page. Subscribe and check it out. And let me just show you. ChatGPT is good for WordPress or web design coders. Yes, it is really good. I will show you that in a minute. But let's go to DALL-E, which is another one by ChatGPT. It generates images. You just give a command, it will generate a logo for you or an image, but it is not 100% accurate. Sometimes the images can mess up, and let me just show you what I have generated so far. I have created these images just by typing make a 3D image of an astronaut walking on Mars at sunset. And this is what ChatGPT created for me. The images are amazing. But I have experimented trying to make logos. Like for example, let's try this. Okay, you see this logo that I make. Let's give DALL-E a command to make a logo close to that. Make an image of a cabin with pine trees on the back, and it's all inside a circle, and put a ribbon below. All right, that's what the image is. This image, it's a cabin with some pine trees in the back. And let's put a sunset. With a sunset. All right, let's see what happens, okay? Let's see if he makes something close to that. Because this image, it might be close, or maybe you see that? You see how it comes out. I gave a perfect command. I have asked other people and they say, you're probably not giving the right command. I am giving the right command. It's just coming out messed up. Now, how are you gonna compare this image to this one? This is made by AI, by a robot, or whatever you want to call it. So it is good. I'm not talking bad, because I use this a lot. Just not this. I use Chat GPT for coding, because I do web design too. I am a beginner on WordPress. I'm learning how to use Elementor and other tools, and it is helpful. I can guarantee you that web design, it is blowing up right now. But graphic design, I don't think so. Just look at the images. They're not even close. And I have heard so many versions, you're not given the right command, you have to be more specific. And it is not. That's not the problem. I have tried so many. I have tried 3D, I have tried other variations to give the command, And I'm not going to send this to a customer, of course. I'm not saying that mine is perfect, but this is a logo. And I mean, you can say whatever. Everyone is entitled to their own opinions, but in my opinion, I think graphic design it's secure for at least another 1 or 2 years until they make this more perfect. But they're experimenting right now. But 3D images, I must say, they're very, very nice. So if you are, I have a Chat GPT story generator video there. I made a story about some kid that was raised, and it generated a really nice story literally in a few seconds. So if you're a YouTuber and you do stories like mystery stories, and you wanna write a story and you wanna use this to give commands based on your story, make a kid walking on the woods alone and stuff like that, it will give you really nice pictures and images just by giving a command. But for logos and 3D images like this, I don't know. I think it's still secure. So if you wanna do graphic design with a software, it's definitely still do. So now let's go to Chat GPT. All right, so and it's gonna ask you for your phone number. You gotta type in your phone number. So we are in Chat GPT now, and let's clear the conversations. So let me show you. I have my website here, WordPress. I use WordPress Elementor, and I'm gonna give my ChatGPT a command to generate a code for a form. Let's say generate a form in HTML code for car decal estimates. By the way, I do this for a living. I do car decals, and I want to create a form based on dimension, height by length, and inches, colors, and give the option for people to upload a work art and send it to my email. All right, so let's see what happens. And it's generating a code where people can go to my website and fill up a form based on the commands or the questions that I require. So right now it's generating a code for HTML for WordPress, and it's definitely really life saving. This ChatGPT is amazing, and it's even giving you instructions of how it's gonna work. You know, it makes your life easier. If you are a web designer, definitely ChatGPT is for you. And right now it's submitting the code. Okay, it's ready. Copy code and paste. Sometimes it might come out not the right way, but you see it already has a form here that people can ask for an estimate for a decal, let's say 24 by 12 inch number of colors. My design needs 3 colors. Then upload a work art. You see that? It already generated this for your website. It's amazing what you can do with ChatGPT in just a matter of seconds. And yeah, this concludes this episode. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of how ChatGPT has changed our lives forever. It has changed the lives of many people. So far, again, I still they gotta work on stuff like this. But at the end, no matter how advanced technology is, you will still need that human touch, that human. You cannot replace it with a robot. You still have to have an art. I don't think anyone ever can, in the future, make a robot to make paintings like, let's say, Bob Ross. If you don't know who Bob Ross is, he's a famous painter from the 80s, 90s. It will never be like that. You will still need a human touch because there is something called art, and that cannot be imitated by any robot. Thank you guys. Hopefully you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and yeah, we'll see you again on the next episode. And also leave what you think about ChatGPT, if you have tried any AI chatbot or anything related to artificial intelligence. I want to hear what your opinion is, even if it's you know if you're not agree with me, then yeah, that's fine. I respect that. Just let's keep it clean, and let's share opinions, because my opinion is ChatGPT is a really good, amazing tool, but it's still not perfect. So yeah, thank you. I will see you guys again on the next episode.